up, guys? Today we are going to be making some healthy air fryer cauliflower bites. This is just taking cauliflower and battering it like you do with chicken cutlets and then throwing in the air fryer with some sauce. We are using buffalo sauce today. Cauliflower is super nutritious for you, but you gotta add a little bit to it to make it taste good. That's why people are making it into pizza crust and making it into mashed potatoes instead of actual potatoes. So a lot of innovation there with cauliflower because they know it's good for them and they want to make healthier choices. So these actually really look like little chicken bites at the end. They taste really good, especially with that buffalo sauce. So feel free to use whatever sauce you want. I think buffalo sauce definitely caters to the flavor. You don't taste the cauliflower at all. You just taste buffalo sauce with like a nice little crispy bite. So a little bit of a tip here, the smaller you make the cauliflower, the more crispy it will be. That's why you will use a little bit more breadcrumbs, or you could use almond flour to make it even healthier. So pop that in the air fryer for about 12 to 15 minutes and you will have yourself a nice crunchy snack. And this is how you make it.